Welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, Bigga crime is dead. I'm going to talk about it. And by now you should know, I'm not talking about the Moby Bigga crime. This one is the 11 miles Bull Bay Bigga crime. I must have been talking about something I must say. The judge on the Klansman case, Chief Justice say, based on WMC presented as it relates to City Bus, the second in command, the Klansman, him not convinced they properly ID him. In other words, it's very possible the post might bust the case. Very interesting. We can start off with Bigga crime. Now, you should already know this was very likely to happen. Telling already, all these 87s, special internet take on them, cross his name, Bigga crime. The security forces them, kill him in a place where named Longville Park, Clarendon. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, Clarendon, but not 11 miles Bull Bay area, say. I just say, Clarendon, him lose him life. Longville Park like that. You see, wanted man hiding out in residential areas is one of the oldest tricks in the book. They often leave them community completely, leave them parish completely. Go in a area where, not much happen. Neighbors in the see one man moving. They might say, oh look, we have a new neighbor, carry on his life. Not knowing say, and they beside a Bigga crime. They say the residents are very surprised. But remember say Bigga crime completely changed his image. See a picture of him right after him losing life, and let's just say the man brown. Much browner than how him originally look and he pictured him. But you should know, say Bigga crime is a man who's also a fan of the cream. In the meantime, the security forces them, running in on them hideouts them. Him find couple rifle, handgun, much rounds of ammunition, and also him cream. So it look like say him replaced the cream. Maybe he had multiple tubs. Maybe the day in time security forces them running, him realized that he couldn't take out himself with the rifle, couldn't take out himself with the handgun, couldn't carry the ammo, but he might have stuff about 3 or 4 cream in him shirt and run down. Cause me say, he not different. So the neighbors them couldn't even identify him. You see somebody who on TV as a wanted man, social media, JCF page, all that, and neighbors couldn't even spot him because of the cream. But in the guy already, either somebody still see him and say, hold on, him look kinda different, but I definitely Bigga crime that, or the type of intel that come from, let's just say, closer sources. Either way, Bigga crime is gone. Longville Park people them, shake up. Can't believe one of Ireland's most wanted man was a neighbor. Clarendon. You see him Clarendon where, remember one time I did the video showing you the stats, say murders down in Ireland, 2023, looking really interesting, just as predicted. But me showing you say Clarendon are going away. Clarendon, I know we find Bigga crime in a Clarendon. Now we know say you have the Maypay man, them have Ranko gang and all kind of things like Clarendon, but sometimes when you see certain places that get hot, enough time is out of town man in the place, I turn it up. Them running from one place, in a one next, and them not easy themselves. Remember you think say 87 would I get hot then go somewhere else, go just relax and lay low? No. So I just find it interesting that one of Ireland's most wanted in hiding out in Clarendon this whole time, while Clarendon was getting real hot. So another one gone. Speaking about that, I'm touching on this quickly. You see JCF post up about the same reduction in crime in Ireland. On the JCF stats, murders, robberies, rape bull, activity drop so far for this year. And in my opinion, that's because enough 87s carry out multiple crimes. Sometimes I see murders and robberies and all them things they decline sharply together. Right? In my opinion, it's partly because the same 87 will shoot you, right? And the same 87 will stick you because them have gun. Right? You must say one of the things them clans love do. So them rob somebody, for example, in Kingston. They carry end up a Spanish Town on a murder. Right? And then afterwards, them dump it. But a two different place that. And you think it's a two different person. But it might be the same 87. Right? And just carry the robbery Yasso. Right? But then they're shooting over Yasso with the same vehicle. Another thing them love do is to rob far out of town. Quite hard to trace back to them. You see them rob anywhere near them community, people can identify them even if they're massive. Right? Even if they're massive. People know say, oh, Bigga crime that. So them love to go out of town, right, where a strange person now go see them and know them. Right? Them rob and then go back to the community. So I'm not surprised to see robberies and murders are declined together. And this is why I'm not stop saying if them hurry up and get them acts together, right, then we can have some serious reduction in murders and crime this year. Get it? Get them acts together. Right? Because the bail act, very important. The prison act, very important. Speaking about bail act, such man, they back on the road again. CM87 from Spanish Town, what I tell them to say, is a menace to the community, menace to the division, back on the road again. So, don't worry, we're giving them the updates as soon as they get it, but incredible, as I say, they can't hold on to them, man. As they hold on to them, and touch back on the road, right back, right, to the same old. So, anything happen, I'll give an update on that. Now, I'm going to talk about City Post. City Post, aka Lucifer, right, second in command for the Black Man faction, the Klansman gang. But he never died road, right? He's been in jail this whole time. Right? So, Black Man did that road, C4 them, Banker them, Muma them did that road, but then Black Man got jail too. So then Black Man and City Post got jail. So think about that. The leader of the gang and the second in command was behind bars, leading the gang. Now, the judge say, him not convinced on the ID City Post. Because most of the people in the clans, right, have never seen City Post. This man is the living embodiment, right, of some kind of dopey. So even though I'm not calling and send message, put out hits, and Mr. help run the gang, enough people never actually seen City Post. Now they had a witness who ID City Post, right, and then C4 and the bank of them, right, they record them and put it out there and say that City Post might talk right there, sir. However, the judge is saying he's not convinced that between C4 the banker and the other witness them properly ID City Post. That sounds like it's very possible, say, it might be the case. City Post is only on one charge from me, I say, and that's being a part of clans. And if them can't properly identify him, then obviously my bust the case. Now this will be mind blowing to me because even I can ID City Post, and I'm a little YouTuber. Now a number of things surprising to me. One, one time I say the only count left for City Post to be is being a part of the gang. That's it. Rest of them dead. Right? But that right there, so being a part of the gang, right, that's all that's left. And now that is on shaky ground because the judge say him not convinced. Between C4, the banker and the witness them, what they must say, right, them still not convinced because right, City Post at jail, he was sentenced to murder. But remember saying Iron Man, life is not life, and he's been in there a good while now. So it's very possible that City Post, right, will touch back the road, right, while him still have some kind of energy left in his body, right. He's not exactly going to come out a very old man if he busts this case. That would be mind blowing if City Post say about the road. People from Spanish Town who know City Post and remember him from back in the day can tell you if City Post touch back the road enough people are moved out of Spanish Town. I'm not exaggerating. Not because he's some kind of Terminator we can't dead, but because the amount of people who want to kill him and the amount of people who him want to kill, it not go nice. I want him to realize when the man they beat the case, but anti-gang, them come out even more confident than before. You would think them would have come out tame like, boy, I'm lucky, I have another chance at life. Instead, they come out even wickeder, because now they're thinking, if anti-gang are the strongest thing the government have, I'm going to just bust that. That means I'm better than anti-gang. That's 87 logic. Right? They're not thinking, oh, me have a second chance at life. They're like, you can't tell me nothing but just bust off of the baddest trial in Jamaican history. Right? And now I'm going to show boy I'm bad. When you see what Cuba do, but I can see what decision and the judge make. But when time I see him say, him not convinced, say, the banker and C4, right, and the witness can properly identify City Bus. I'm going to shake me head. And the one count him depend, I don't even know much time I get for that. That don't even sound like a big charge, but I need to double check the paperwork to see how much time that come in. This trial has been dragging on for too long. At this point, I just want you the verdict. Right, this is just, I'm over this right now. Right, the whole heap of summation and all that. Just give you the verdict, but the people them know if they run me. Right, arm them, blood pressure can go what down. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, no life. Politricks squad, see you circling. Bless.